When a woman ignores you, most men panic. They text more. They chase harder. They beg for answers. But here's the truth. Every time you react emotionally, you feed her ego. The real power isn't in chasing, it's in silence. Before I break this down, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss out on the truths that most men never hear. Now, let's get into it. 1. Do nothing. Let silence do the talking. The first reaction men usually have when a woman ignores them is panic. The mind races. What did I do wrong? Did I say something? Is she losing interest? And that's exactly where most guys fail. They chase. They double text. They try to fix what doesn't even need fixing. But here's the secret. Sometimes the strongest thing you can do is nothing. Just silence. Picture this. She expects you to react. She wants to see if you'll break, if you'll beg for her attention. When you don't, her plan backfires. Instead of her being in control, suddenly she's questioning herself. Why isn't he asking me what's wrong? Why isn't he running after me? That doubt eats at her ego more than any long paragraph ever could. Doing nothing isn't weakness, it's power. Think about it. When someone gives you the cold shoulder and you give it right back without anger or drama, it shows strength. It says, my world doesn't collapse because you didn't reply. That calm silence isn't easy. It takes discipline, but it makes her respect you in ways begging never will. 2. Stay busy. Don't let her see you break. Here's another trap men fall into. Sitting around staring at their phones, waiting for her to message back. She ignores you for 3 hours and you check your phone for 3 hours. That's not strength, that's slavery. The better move, stay busy. When she ignores you, fill your time with things that matter. Go to the gym, work on your projects, call a friend, even post a picture of ye are doing something productive. Not to show off, but to remind yourself that your life doesn't pause for anyone. The truth is, women notice. They can feel when a man's whole mood depends on their attention. And they can feel when a man has his own life. Think of it like this. When she sees you're unfazed, that ignoring you didn't crush your energy. It stings her ego. She expected you to crumble, but instead she sees you moving forward. That's the quiet revenge, showing her that she doesn't control your happiness. 3. Don't argue or demand explanations. One of the quickest ways to destroy your own dignity is blowing up her phone with questions. Why are you ignoring me? What did I do? At least tell me what's wrong. That right there is how you hand her all the power. If she's ignoring you on purpose, she already knows it's bothering you. The worst thing you can do is confirm it with desperate messages. Arguing or demanding answers doesn't solve anything. It only proves she's got you wrapped around her finger. Instead, keep your cool. Don't raise your voice. Don't try to guilt trip her. Don't type out long emotional texts. You don't owe anyone a fight just because they gave you silence. The calm response always wins. Imagine 2 people, one shouting, the other completely calm. Who looks stronger? Exactly. That calmness destroys ego faster than any argument. The point isn't to ignore her back in anger. It's to protect your self-respect. If she wants to talk, she will. And when she sees you're not begging, she'll realize silence doesn't control you. 4. Match her energy. No more, no less. This one is simple but powerful. If she gives you little, you give little. If she takes hours to reply, you don't respond in seconds. If her texts are dry, don't send novels. Match her energy. Why does this work? Because it creates balance. When you keep giving more than she gives, you toe up the scale. She feels safe taking you for granted because she knows you'll always overcompensate. But the moment you pull back and mirror her effort, she feels it. Suddenly, she's not the one in control anymore. Think of it like dancing. If she slows down, you slow down. If she speeds up, you adjust. You don't carry the whole rhythm alone. That balance forces her to face herself. She can't lean back on your endless effort. Now, if she wants more from you, she has to give more. Matching energy isn't being cold, it's being fair. It shows you respect yourself enough not to overinvest in someone who isn't investing in you, and that's what really shakes her ego. 5. Show her you're replaceable. Let's be real. No one wants to feel like they're your only option. When a woman ignores you, she's testing if you'll crumble without her. And the best way to destroy that ego is to show through your actions, not your words, that you won't. This doesn't mean flirting with other women in her face or playing childish games. It means living your life like a man who knows his worth. Spend time with people who uplift you. Stay on your grind. Keep yourself surrounded by good energy. When she sees that ignoring you didn't lock you in a corner, she realizes she's not as irreplaceable as she thought. Here's the twist. Most men threaten to walk away, but never actually do. The real strength comes when you don't have to say a word. Your lifestyle says it for you. She sees it. She feels it. And deep down, she knows. Ignoring you didn't lower your value. It lowered hers. 6. Respond with calm confidence. Eventually, she may reach out. Maybe it's after hours, maybe after days. And the key here is how you respond. This is where most men lose it. They jump at the chance, reply instantly, and act like nothing happened. Don't do that. Instead, respond with calm, confidence, short, clear, controlled, no anger, no overexcitement, just steady energy. Something like, "Hey, all good, that's it, simple." She'll notice you didn't scold her, you didn't beg, and you didn't act to, eager. You stayed grounded. That type of response shifts the dynamic completely. She'll realize ignoring you didn't shake your foundation. It only made you stronger. That composure is what women respect deep down. They may not admit it, but they feel it. A man who can stay calm under pressure is a man who's hard to replace. 7. Walk away if it becomes a pattern. Here's the final truth. If she ignores you once, it might just be a mood. Twice, maybe she's testing. But if it becomes a habit, it's not about you. It's about disrespect. And the best way to destroy her ego at that point is to walk away completely. Walking away isn't weakness, it's power. It says, "I'm not desperate for crumbs. I want respect. And if you can't give it, I'll find someone who will." Nothing bruises a person's ego more than losing someone who refuses to tolerate games. The hard part is most men hold on, hoping she'll change. But patterns don't lie. If she shows you she's comfortable ignoring you again and again, she's showing you how little she values you. Don't waste energy trying to convince her otherwise. Let her go. The day you walk away, without anger, without drama, just calm and final, that's the day her ego shatters. At the end of the day, how you react when a woman ignores you decides everything. You can either lose your dignity by chasing, or you can keep your silence, your composure, and your power. Remember this, the man who doesn't beg for attention is the man every woman remembers. So don't waste your energy proving your worth. Let your silence, your actions, and your ability to walk away do the talking. That's how you destroy ego without raising your voice, without sending paragraphs, without losing yourself. If this video spoke to you, hit that like button right now. Drop a comment below saying, "I choose self-respect, so I know you're one of the men who refuses to play small." And don't forget, subscribe to Brainify On and turn on notifications because the truths I share here, they'll save you from mistakes most men never recover from.